Hi. Today I'm going to show a trading strategy developed around an interesting indicator called half trend. The half trend indicator is freely available on the TradingView. The developer of that indicator has described the indicator in the following words. A popular trend indicator based on ATR. Similar to the super trend but uses a different trends identification logic. This is what the half trend indicator looks like. It just has a green and red line that goes around the price on the chart. It reminds me of super trend a little. Okay. Now let's see the strategy. This is what the strategy looks like. You may see a lot of long and short trade on the chart along with a few stop losses and targets getting hit. Let's understand the logic behind the strategy. As soon as the half trend turns green, we take a long trade. If the price closes below the half trend, we exit the trade. And as soon as the half trend turns red, we take a short trade. If the price closes above the half trend, we exit the trade. Now let's understand how the target is coded for this strategy by seeing the input panel. This is the input panel. From here, you can choose the target type of trade. The options are point-wise and percentage-wise. By default, the point-wise option is selected. And the default value of the target is 200. So in a long trade, if the price goes 200 points above the entry level, our target gets hit and the trade closes. As you can see, this trade has reached the target of 200 points from the entry level. And in the short trade, if the price goes 200 points below the entry level, our target gets hit and the trade closes. As you can see, this trade has reached the target of 200 points from the entry level. Similarly, you may choose the percentage-wise target option, where the targets will be calculated in percentages instead of points. And these are the default inputs of the half trend indicator. As you modify them, the half trend line gets modified on the chart. I'm making this strategy freely available for everyone to use. The link to the strategy is given in the description below. Just copy and paste that link into a web browser. You will land on such a page. This is my TradingView profile, by the way. Please follow if you like. Scroll down a little. And you will see this blue-colored button called Add to Favorite Indicators. Click it. Now the indicator has been added to your TradingView account. Just open any chart. Go to the Indicators option. Select the Favorites option. And here you will see the strategy. Click it and add it to the chart. Now you are free to use it. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.